Are you looking for a business that will make an actual difference in our world? Last year, our high-touch, high-tech franchisees delivered hands-on science experiences for more than 16 million kids that were truly meaningful and memorable. For over 25 years, our ever-evolving programs for science and nature have helped turn students into real scientists by performing real experiments while meeting the expectations of parents, teachers, and government curriculum standards. With dozens of locations established in 12 different countries, High Touch High Tech has new home-based business opportunities for people looking to make a genuine difference with our children of today. Our hands-on programs inspire and excite children by engaging them in the amazing world of nature and science using in-school workshops, preschool programs, after-school events, and even birthday parties that are so much more than just cake and ice cream. If you're looking for a new business that is fun and will have a big impact on the children of your community, request additional franchise information on High Touch High Tech. We are science made fun.